In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mark a customer invoice as paid in Odoo accounting software. This is a simple but very important task if you're managing customer payments, tracking revenue, and keeping your accounting records accurate inside Odoo. We'll walk through this step by step using the Odoo online demo so you can follow along even if you don't have a live database yet. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and search for Odoo Demo Online. From the search results, click on Demo Odoo Online. This will take you to Odoo's official demo environment, which is perfect for learning and testing features without affecting real data. Once the demo loads, you'll see the Odoo dashboard with various apps available. Next, make sure you are inside the accounting application. From the accounting dashboard, look at the top menu and click on Customers. This section is where Odoo manages customer-related accounting activities, including invoices and payments. After clicking on Customers, select Invoices. This will open the list of customer invoices in your system. Here, you can see different invoices along with their status, such as draft, posted, or paid. This overview helps you quickly identify which invoices still need action. Now, locate the invoice you want to mark as paid. In this example, we're selecting an invoice for a customer named Lights Up. Click directly on the invoice name to open it. Once the invoice is open, you'll be able to see all the details, including the customer information, invoice lines, total amount, and current status. Before an invoice can be marked as paid, it must be sent or posted. To do this, click on the Send button. This action prepares the invoice and allows it to be shared with the customer. A confirmation window will appear. Review the details, then click Continue to move forward. After confirming, click Send again to finalize the action. At this point, the invoice is officially issued in Odoo. This step is important because Odoo only allows payments to be registered on posted invoices. Once the invoice has been sent, Odoo will update its status accordingly. From here, you can proceed to register the payment when the customer pays you. In a real business scenario, this would be done by clicking the Register Payment button, entering the payment amount, selecting the payment method, and confirming the transaction. After this step, the invoice status will automatically change to paid, ensuring your accounting records are accurate and up to date. And that's how you mark a customer invoice as paid in Odoo accounting software. This process helps you stay organized, track outstanding invoices, and maintain clean financial reports. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.